BERSA M2Xi. You are all aware that I like this pew-pew. If you're new to the channel, just so you know, the BERSA M2Xi, love this wonderful work of art. As you've seen by the title, we're going to talk about Alpha Foxtrot Romulus. Why are we talking about that if I'm looking at the BERSA M2Xi? Well, if you've seen anything about this gun on other YouTube channels, you've seen many people state that, of course, it's a great gun. It's made by Alpha Foxtrot. They make the Romulus. Everybody loves the Romulus. It's a great shooter. There's just one problem. Alpha Foxtrot does not make the BERSA M2Xi. Now, it is made here in Georgia, as is Alpha Foxtrot. I was in contact with, let me get this right, the Director of U.S. Sales and Marketing for BERSA. I got some actual factual information directly from the horse's mouth, if you will. And I'd like to kind of just read it quickly, or I'll read it mostly. I'm not changing any information, but I want to help get out the truth, the facts, just so we're all on the same page and we understand what BERSA is actually doing with this pistol. So, here we go. Our gun is not produced by Dasan, the parent company of Alpha Foxtrot. We produce the gun in our own factory. However, we do buy parts kits from Dasan the same way a lot of other companies buy their parts kits for 1911, 2011, and AR platform firearms. It's very common. While we do buy the parts kits from them, the slides come to us raw, the frames come to us at only 60%. We match the slide and the frames to our specifications, assemble the pistols 100% in-house. This allows us to control the final look as well as the fit and finish to our liking. So interesting. I've heard it, you've heard it. It's been so prevalent out there amongst YouTubers regarding the BERSA M2Xi that, of course, it's great. It's made by Alpha Foxtrot. That the director of BERSA Guns is reaching out saying, hey, can you help us get this information out there and disseminate it? So if you don't know about the BERSA M2Xi, real quick, double stacked, 1911, comes with checkmate mags, which are amazing. I mean, they fit great. You can see, oop, that's from a different gun, but it does come with checkmate mags. Fit great. I'm going to take this one out because it is loaded. Show you clear real quick. Nothing in there, just a beautiful firearm. This one does have an RMS-C footprint or the Hollow Sun K footprint, so it's a smaller optic. And I have had a lot of questions. Hey, do you like such a small optic on a full-size gun? And honestly, I don't even notice. Especially being an enclosed optic, I don't know if you can Hey, you can actually show you the red dot through the camera. Works great. Yes, it has a nice orange fluorescent front, so looking through the camera, they kind of match up. But you also do get amazing coat witness with this. It's an enclosed optic. I had this one customized for the channel. I don't know if is it going to focus there? Knives and Things Tony. That's right. Next, I guess I got to get an X300 that somehow is custom. I wonder if I can do that. We'll see. But like I said, I love the pistol, obviously. I really like the BERSA M2Xi. This is a very special one. If you can see in the camera, this is number 4. Yeah, they started producing them. I got lucky enough that my local gun club here in Georgia had a partnership with BERSA to offer their members an opportunity to get in on the first few production models. They brought the guns, prototypes 1 through 3 in for testing, so we got to shoot them and try them out before their actual production release, a couple of weeks before. If you were there for that day and you put the deposit down in the pre-order, you got entered for the first few that were going to be released. I got lucky enough to get number 4, which was the first one as far as I know. Like I said, 1 through 3 were prototypes. The first ones were all black on black, which, I mean, who doesn't like an all black on black gun? But then they released the stainless. I had to have one. And I like it so much, I carry it. Yes, I do carry a full 5-inch double stacked 1911. Hard to believe. I do have a modified inside the waist belt holster from Vetter. I did some reheating on it, and it fits really nice. It's very comfortable. I do need to clean this one as I'm looking at it. I've got a lot of buildup on it. I put a lot, anytime I go to the range, I bring this with, no matter what I'm shooting, and I run a few mags through it just to keep up on it. And yeah, great shooter. If you haven't seen one or had the chance to go out and shoot one, I would recommend going out, try the BERSA M2Xi. It's a nice flat shooter. I'll throw some Slomo videos and some range videos here on it so you can see that also if you haven't seen them already. Any questions on it? Let me know. Again, just trying to help get out that information. Alpha Foxtrot does not build the BERSA M2Xi. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.